Hi, guys. Welcome back. This is part two revision. So, you should be in part two of your guided notes. There is kind of a separate learning target, although it's all kind of connected together. So, you can put I can explain how to revise in individuals and societies. And of course, that's related to feedback and assessment. Okay, so if we take a look, when should you revise? So, if you look at your notes, it's there. Um, I want you guys to know that revision is just a part of the process in class. It's just a part of learning. So it doesn't mean anything other than you need more time to learn it. So that's absolutely fine. Um, you're going to be revising a lot of times in practice work. If you go check an answer key to a problem and it's wrong, you're going to fix it. That's revision. If after a discussion prompt you write down and you compare it with a partner and your partner has an answer that makes more sense or that has better information, you can add to yours in your own words, but that's revision. And if you've checked something or we've had a discussion and you can just do a better job and want to give it a try, you can revise. So again, it's just kind of the natural process. So in your notes, just put 2 times you might be revising in practice work. And if you need to pause the video, you can do that now. Okay, now there are certain times when you have to revise. It is not an option. And it's actually pretty simple. Anytime your score is lower than a level 4 on a mastery check, you are required to revise. So I want you to lower than a level 4, write that into your guided notes, and then circle the word required because you are required to revise at that point. Now, again, not a big deal. Revision is just kind of a part of the process, and it's just what we do in individuals and societies. But I also want you to realize that the group tracker will show your mastery check. It'll show the letters MC in red so that know that you need to revise. So when you come into class, you'll see it MC red. You'll know you need to revise. So just put red on your notes equals revise, just so you know that. Now, if you have to revise, what are the steps? Well, that's the next part here. So actually, there's just 3 steps. I kind of summed it up in 3 words. So where it says number 1, I want you to put reteach. Number 2, I want you to put revise or revision. And then number 3 is retake. So if you see that on your notes. So the first step is basically you're attending a reteaching meeting with myself, Mrs. Sims, to review your misunderstandings. Where did you misunderstand? What do you need to do? I can help reteach those ideas. Then you and I come up with a revision plan. The revision plan looks like this. And usually it's on a red sheet of paper. And so you go through and check off what you need to do. And if you need any more information or details, that's what you're going to do before you retake. So we've retaught. And then I might have you do some other things, or we might write in something else. There might be another lesson resource you can do, or maybe spend 10 minutes studying some vocab. Or there might be something else that we add in. And then we'll decide on the date of your retake and you'll write it here. So that revision plan, and then you'll retake a different version on that agreed upon date. Now, you will not take a revised test the same day that you do the revision. It has to be at least the next day. And so we'll talk about that in our meeting when we meet to revise. So that's pretty much it for the steps. So if you want to just kind of put in there again, reteach, revise, and retake, that's how it goes. And again, I want you guys to remember that learning from your mistakes is never a mistake. Okay, it is just part of the learning process.